good old One Junk Caravan here, and we're doing something that this hasn't done since I've bought it a while ago. Going on the highway. Oh yeah. There we go. It's able to go 75 just fine. A lot of wind noise from the holes in the sliding door and all that, but that's okay. Cruise control on, set. Yes! All right. All right. So today, we're heading up to Newville Auto Salvage to get some bits and pieces for this van. Since now that we fixed the motor and I got tires for it, I put a radio in it, I replaced the speakers that are in the doors, the ones in the dash. No AC, so it's kind of unpleasant and humid in here, but that's okay. We're gonna see if we can find a couple bits, depending on the cost. The power mirror switch doesn't work. That latch for that glove box door there is very broken. And these are obviously busted. So we'll see what they'll charge. Maybe we can get a couple nicer upgrades for it. Like the digital display that goes in the console. Maybe a digital instrument panel, but probably not going to bother with that. And one important thing would be a seat for the middle, because you know, I have my two little rugrats, or if I have my friends, they can't ride in this piece of crap, which is fine for most cases, but since we got rid of my wife's crappy Forester, this is the new take the dogs to the dog wash vehicle, because wet dog is gross. And this van doesn't care. So we'll check in once we get to the junkyard and see what we can find for old vans up there. I was told they have several, so we'll see. Oh no, guys! Gotta go to the car show! I fucking hate those cars. I wish that was going to the junkyard where it belongs. Oh, it's damaged. Good. Everything on this so far, so good. Gauges are good. Running well, driving well. And our exit's coming up. That's probably where we'll be stopping for lunch. That's the world's largest Culver's. Up here in Edgerton or Milton, Wisconsin. And here we are. Newville Auto Salvage. One of the yards that actually still has old garbage like this, but there's a lot of newer stuff too. They're pretty cool. There it is. It's a sight you don't see often anymore. Old minivans. Got a LeBaron. Is that the Jomny? Oh, we gotta go see that in a minute. The Plymouth Horizon. Oh, the manual transmission too, Tony. Oh no, I wanna shift it so good. Dynasty junk. Here's a Dodge Spirit. What engine does you have? None. What did it used to have? TBI. Look here, guys. Or, I'm sorry. Look here, folks. Oh, folks. 85. Oh, yeah. Bench. Base model. Has air. Auto. 88,818. I wonder if it rolled over or not. Somebody took the column out. Little wheel covers are still there. It's not even that rotten. That's a fucking shame. 2.2 auto, it says on the hood. Is it a carb or EFI? Oh, she's carbureted, folks. Cover that up. Yeah, look at that. It had the AC retrofitted in 1998. Wow. Here's its info here for you. Here's its data plate. And yeah, somebody replaced the AC lines and shit on it. I'll be. Sundance. It's like Sundance America. Oh, it's 5-speed. Nice. LeBaron convertible. Shelby? What? No shit. Not much left of it anymore. Let's go on the other side. Yeah, look at that. It's probably a 89. Yep. Holy hell, 284,258. So that odometer was still working. The seat's in relatively good nick for that mileage. Power enthusiast too. Damn. It's an auto. It was a turbo, so 2.5. Damn, that's cool. Neons. I don't see any more old Chryslers that way. At least there's still a couple. So there's that if you need stuff. This LeBaron. Sundance. Get my box. Woo! I love seeing these. I mean, I wish it wasn't here. I wish it was at my house, but still, seeing one out there for parts is pretty cool. Spirit. Fuck you, Dynasty. Here's some more LeBarons. Pretty well picked over by this point. New garbage I don't care about. And yeah, then the vans. So I was able to grab a couple things. I'll have to go inquire and check some costs, and maybe we'll get a seat for mine too. Mission accomplished. 4 bucket seats to go in here. Red and black striped. Oh yeah. Here's the finished product. Front seats swapped in. Power seat over here now. I ran wiring for it because it didn't have it. And middle buckets. Ample room in back for crap. This thing's ready to take some dogs to the dog wash almost. Just got to clean it. And Piggly Wiggly. These are not broken anymore. And I can't use that because it's not wired for it. So that kind of sucks. But oh well. And the power mirrors work too. Hooray.